Morning all of you. Now today we are going to solve the example of this chapter, measurement and effect of heat. So first, A, what must be the temperature in Fahrenheit so that it will be twice its value in Celsius? Okay, now we know that the heat is calculated of this in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, so by the formula F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon F. So here F is Fahrenheit and C is the Celsius. Now it is given in the question is that F is equal to 2C. We can write this as C is equal to F upon 2. So we will find what is F. Okay. So by formula F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. So now uh, F minus 32 upon 9, F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to, now what is the value of C? So we have taken C is equal to F minus 2. So F minus 2, F upon 2 upon 5 as it is. Okay. Now F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to F upon 2 into this 5. I will write 1 upon 5. Okay. Now further F minus 32 as it is equal to 9 will go on the other side, so it will come in the numerator, and F this is 5 will come down. Okay, it is in the denominator. Okay, then F upon 2 as it is. Now further F minus 32 is equal to 9 upon 5 in the bracket F upon 2. So we will divide this 5 ones are 5, then 5 ones are 5, point what is remaining 4. So we will take point 5 is a 40. Okay, so it will become this 1.8 F upon F upon 2. That it we will divide again this 2 ones are 2, 0.9 is a 0.9 F. Okay, now F minus 0.9 F is equal to 32. This minus 32 will become positive plus 32. Okay, further now we know that this is F means we will consider 1 F minus 0.9 F, and that will 1 minus 1 F minus 0.9 F, it means that we are so it will come 0.1 F is equal to 32. Now we can write F is equal to 32 as it is upon, this will go in the denominator. So if you just F is equal to 32 upon 0.1, so this if you remove the point, 10 will come here. Okay, so answer is 320 Fahrenheit. Okay, this is 320 Fahrenheit. So this is the required temperature. The next example, B, a bridge is made from 20-meter long iron rod. At temperature 18 degrees Celsius, the distance between two rods is 0.4 centimeter. Up to what temperature will the bridge be in good shape? Okay, so now we want to we will find the temperature. Okay, so we given in that L1 is given, length L1 is equal to 20 meter, then difference between the two rods, okay, that is L2 minus L1, length of the difference between the two rods is equal to given 0.4 centimeter. Actually that L1 is 20 meter, so we have to take it, convert it is in meter. So that will what we have to do, we have to divide it by 100, so it will come near about 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So this value we got. Now T1 is 18 degrees Celsius. Now this is lambda for iron. Okay, coefficient of expansion. Okay, it is called coefficient of expansion for iron, and that is given, that is fixed, 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 degrees Celsius. Now by the formula delta T, okay, delta T, a difference in the temperature, is equal to L2 minus L1 upon lambda into L1. Put the value of this L2 minus L1, what is, so that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter upon, what is lambda here for iron, that is 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 degree Celsius into L1 given here, L1 is 20 meter, so it is written here. Now what we will do, further simplify this, 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 as it is into, now the 10 raised to minus 6 will go in the numerator, so it will become 10 raised to plus 6 upon 11.5 as it is into 20 as it is. Now if you further, now 4 into, now we know that 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to 6, that is 6 minus 3, that is 3, and the sign of the positive bigger digit, that is plus, upon, if you simplify, that will come 23. Now 4 into 10 raised to 3 we can write as 4000 upon 23, and if you divide this, we will that will come 17.39 degree Celsius. So we got delta T is equal to 17.39 degree Celsius. Now we want to find the final temperature. Okay, so now delta T, difference in the temperature, is equal to final temperature minus initial temperature. This is TF minus TI. Now TF means final temperature is equal to initial temperature plus the difference in the temperature, that is TI we got 18, okay, T1 we got, that is TA at 18 plus 17, that just now we got difference in the temperature, that is 17.39. if you add, you will get 35.39 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 35 point, and we can write this 4 means 35.39, that is, this is the greater digit than 3, so we can take 1 here, add 1, so that will be 35.4 degree Celsius. So the bridge will be in good shape up to 35.4 degree Celsius temperature. Now the next example, C, at 15 degrees Celsius the height of Eiffel Tower is 324 meter. If it is made up of iron, what will be the increase in length in centimeter at 30 degree Celsius? Okay, now at 15 degree Celsius the height of Eiffel Tower is 324 meter. Now given difference in the temperature, that is delta T is equal to 30 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. L1 is given 324 meter. Delta this lambda for iron, we know that 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So we know the formula, L2 minus L1 is equal to lambda into L1 into delta T. So put the value here of lambda, 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into L1 is 324 meter into delta T is 15 degree. Just you simplify, you will get 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 324 into 15. Further, if you calculate this, so we will get 55,890 into 10 raised to minus 6. 55,890 into 10 raised to minus 6 we got. Now we want to convert this 10 raised to minus meter into centimeter. So what we will do, we will just multiply it by 100, that is 10 raised to 2. So 55,890 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 2, and thus if you just simplify, we will get 55,890 into 6 minus 2, that is 4, and the symbol of the bigger digit, that is 6, so minus. If you further convert this, okay, into, we will get 5.589 centimeter, that is nearly 5.6 centimeter.